After you have placed an Optrogate lip and cheek retractor, remove the defective amalgam filling. The cavity should provide adequate retention. As you will not be using an adhesive, you should not bevel the enamel edges. Carefully secure the matrix in place using wedges. Establish a dry working field. If necessary, use a saliva ejector or cotton rolls to do so. Hold the bottle containing the liquid in a vertical position. Squeeze the bottle lightly and evenly to dispense 1 drop. Make sure that the drop separates from the bottle by itself without touching the mixing pad. This helps you prevent air bubbles from becoming enclosed in the liquid. After use, close the bottle tightly. Shake the bottle containing the powder before use, and then remove the required quantity using the measuring spoon. Wipe off excess powder at the plastic insert of the bottleneck, and place the material on a mixing pad or glass plate. The mixing ratio of the powder and liquid is 1 measuring spoon of powder to 1 drop of liquid. Close the bottle tightly after use. If you restore a large cavity, adjust the mixing ratio using 2 measuring spoons of powder and 2 drops of liquid. Mix the powder and liquid using a plastic spatula until you have reached a homogeneous mixture. You may apply as much Cention N as you see fit. Carefully pack the material into the cavity. Given its self-curing properties, the material can be applied in any layer thickness. Remove occlusal excess material. The working time is 2 minutes and 30 seconds. Once the setting time of 4 minutes for the self-curing mode is reached, remove the matrix and wooden wedges. Check the occlusion and adjust as necessary. Remove excess material using suitable tungsten carbide burrs or fine-grained diamonds and adapt the margins. Use diamonds, tungsten carbide finishers, or flexible finishing discs to remove excess in the proximal area. High-gloss polishing is not necessary. The tooth is now restored to its function and tooth-colored appearance. As can be seen at the recall after 1 week, the restoration blends in well with the rest of the dentition.